Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'll walk you through why the cellular options is missing on your Windows 10 or 11 and how you can bring it back fast, easy, and working again in 2025. So first thing first, not all laptops have a built-in SIM card slot or mobile data hardware. So first you can just press on Windows plus X and go to the device manager, and in here expand the network adapters, and you can look for something like 4G LTE modem, WWAN adapter, or the mobile broadband adapter. If you don't see any of this, your device might not support mobile data unless you are using an external USB modem. Next, let's make sure the cellular feature isn't disabled. So you can go to the settings, go to the network and internet, and you need to check if the airplane mode toggle is off. This one. And then you can look for cellular, and if it's still missing, you can continue to the next fix. So this is the fix that works for most people. You can again go to the device manager, this one, and then right click on your WWAN or LTE or mobile broadband adapter from here. And after that, you can just select uninstall device, restart your PC, and Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver. If it doesn't reinstall, you can go to your laptop brand support website and download the latest LTE driver. Sometimes Windows disable the service in the background, so you need to press on Windows plus R and then type on services.mse. In here, you can look for the WWAN auto config from here. And you can just right click and choose properties. This is the just an example, right? And after that, you can just set startup type to automatic, click start, and then apply. So this will enable Windows to detect your SIM and bring the cellular option back. If nothing works so far, a network reset usually fixes everything. So you can just open settings again and go to the network and internet. Go down and choose the network reset, this one, advanced, and here find the network reset options. So that's it. Your cellular options should now be back and working on Windows 10 or 11. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.